resilient to these powerful forces of nature. The idea of a magnitude 15 earthquake is beyond our experience. It is theoretically impossible given our understanding of plate tectonics. The Earth's crust is simply not large enough to accumulate that much stress. The largest recorded earthquake was a magnitude 9.5 in Chile in 1960. To generate a magnitude 15 earthquake, we would need a fault line the size of Earth itself. The energy release would be unimaginable, dwarfing the energy of all nuclear weapons ever detonated. Such an event would fundamentally alter our planet. It's a scenario best left to science fiction. Tectonic fury unleashing the Earth's power. The immense forces beneath our feet are constantly at work, shaping the very ground we stand on. Earthquakes are a natural consequence of plate tectonics, a process that has been ongoing for millions of years. The Earth's lithosphere is broken into several large plates, each moving at a different pace and direction. These plates move slowly over the asthenosphere, a semi-fluid layer of molten rock. Friction and pressure build up along their boundaries, creating immense stress over time. When the stress exceeds the strength of the rocks, they break, causing a sudden and often violent shift. The sudden release of energy causes an earthquake, sending shockwaves through the ground. The point where the rupture occurs is called the focus, located deep beneath the Earth's surface. The point on the surface directly above the focus is the epicenter, often the site of the most intense shaking. The magnitude of an earthquake depends on several factors, including the size of the fault rupture, the amount of slip and the energy released, and the rigidity of the rocks. Understanding these elements helps scientists predict and measure the impact of these powerful natural events. Section 4, A World Remade, Imagining the Unimaginable. A magnitude 15 earthquake would be an apocalyptic event. The ground shaking would be unimaginable, lasting for minutes, perhaps even hours. The Earth's crust would ripple and undulate. Entire continents could be reshaped. Coastal cities would be obliterated by tsunamis miles high. Volcanoes would erupt, spewing ash and gas into the atmosphere. The global climate would be altered for centuries. Human civilization as we know it would cease to exist. The few survivors would face a desolate and unrecognizable world. Section 5, Echoes of Disaster, Past Earthquakes in Perspective. The 2011 Tohoku earthquake in Japan was a magnitude 9.0. It was one of the most powerful earthquakes ever recorded in the country's history. It caused widespread devastation and triggered a tsunami that led to a catastrophic nuclear meltdown at the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant. The disaster had long-lasting effects on the environment and the people of Japan. The 2010 Haiti earthquake was a magnitude 7.0. It struck near the capital city of Port-au-Prince, causing massive destruction. It killed hundreds of thousands of people and left millions more homeless. The international community responded with a massive humanitarian effort. These events, as catastrophic as they were, pale in comparison to a hypothetical magnitude 15 earthquake, which would be unimaginable in its scale of destruction. They serve as stark reminders of the immense power of nature and the importance of preparedness. Communities must be ready to respond to such disasters to save lives and reduce damage. While a magnitude 15 earthquake is impossible, we must still respect the power of our planet. Continuous research and advancements in technology help us understand these natural phenomena better. By studying earthquakes, we can learn to mitigate their risks and build more resilient societies. Investing in earthquake-resistant infrastructure and educating the public on safety measures are crucial steps in this ongoing effort.